Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Windows cannot be connected to your printer. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to our Start menu, and from here we'll go ahead and search Registry Editor. Go ahead and open it. Now that you are here, we need to expand HKey Local Machine. Then you need to simply go ahead and expand System. Now you need to simply go ahead and expand Current Control Set. From here, you need to go ahead and click on Control. You need to simply go ahead and find the Print option. Once you are here, you need to right click on it and then click on New. From here, you need to go ahead and click on DWORD 32-bit value. Now, you need to simply go ahead and rename it to RPC Authentication Level Privacy Enabled, just the way I have done it. Now, you need to simply go ahead and click on it to expand and ensure that the value data is set to 0. Then you need to go ahead and click on OK. Now that you have done that, we need to go ahead and close this registry editor. Then you need to simply go ahead and search for services. Then you need to simply click on Open. From here, you need to go ahead and find Print Spooler. Once you find Print Spooler, you need to simply go ahead and click on it, and here you can see an option that says Restart the service. Go ahead and click on Restart. And once you have done that, you need to close this and then you need to go to Start icon over here and then you need to restart your computer. And this might help you solve the issue. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.